Hello guys, flash.fnx. Today we're going to discuss about the Infinity token. It is a new token on the Binance Smart Chain and it is very new. Hopping onto their website over here, Infinity Network token, we can see that it's a community driven token. It was built for the community and soon will be implementing NFT marketplace. Buy and hold INFNET to be rewarded on every trade for 4% every single time, and these economics are designed to keep building the price floor where 6% of every transaction goes towards a locked liquidity pool holding 70% of the entire supply. So as I said before, holders get a 4% of every trade going towards the holders. There's a 6% liquidity that goes to liquidity, and there's 1% of INFNET liquidity on Pancake swap is locked. Okay, so we can see here their main roadmap. So INFNET launch, it has already been completed, website created, socials created, influencer marketing in progress as I'm doing this video right now, community contest in progress, CoinGecko application in progress, BSC application pending, Trust Wallet submission pending, MAA pending, TikTok marketing pending, first audit pending, and NFT marketplace pending. Let me show you guys on how to buy Infinity token. So INFNET, firstly you need MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure you have BNB in it. The slippage tolerance has to be on 11%. Now put whatever amount of BNB you want to swap, click on swap, confirm swap. If it doesn't work, just increase the slippage tolerance. So I've put it to 12%. Now just click on confirm and you should be ready to go. So taking a look at the BSC scan, we can see that there's only 736 holders and the most percentage a holder owns is only 2.7%. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 350 members, as this token is only 1 day old. I'll show you guys the chart in 1 second, and as well over here checking the chart, it is 5,500% in the last 24 hours, and we can see that this token is doing very good with a market cap of only 200,000. We can check also the burn address where they have sent 30% of the total supply. That's been it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.